Hi everyone and welcome back to my final morning report. Charles Perez on Thursday the 10th of March with me, which pre-market analyst at Antec Markets. Looking at gold and, well, I've been talking about this big bearish divergence on the RSI for a while, and also the MACD lines crossing negatively and the stochastics bearishly diverging. All these momentum indicators are giving us sell signals, or at least corrective signals, and we're now starting to see this uptrend broken. Really is starting to put pressure on the downside. You've had two bearish candles in a row, could be a third today. We're down $3-4 on the day so far. Now, it sort of gives me the opportunity, gives me the potential to be actually right on this. I mean, I've been talking about this for a while, a good couple of weeks, these bearish divergences, and they've just not really happened yet. But we're now beginning to see possibility of this actually coming true. So will it happen? Well, we're still not really 100% decided. You look at this hourly chart and you say, well, the momentum indicators are taking on a more negative configuration. The RSI sort of towards sort of 30 up towards 50, also failing at 60 in that around 60 in that move as well. Again, that was an interesting sort of just loss of momentum to the upside. 120.60, interestingly enough, I talked about this yesterday, has become a bit of a pivot as well, capping yesterday's high, or an intraday high before falling away. So that is an interesting resistance. You're also trading below all the moving averages as well on the hourly chart. So this is all sort of lending to a sort of this possibility of a breakdown. Now, I'd say look for the RSI below 60. Because that's not happened in this sequence yet over the last couple of months. That would also be a failure swing with that bearish divergence as well, if that closed below 60 today. You've got already the stochastic sell signal arguably here, and the MACD crossing negatively as well. So, I mean, it could, if you're going to take it as momentum indicators or a leading signal, then maybe this is sort of now topping out, and you're going to get this correction. So yesterday's low at 1243.50 is the initial support. Beyond that, you're looking out for. I mean, if you start to break down that and you certainly close below that level, that would be a bearish signal, I think. You're also looking at this 21-day moving average, which sort of turned up and has been sort of basis of support in January, but then has been sort of flanking the move higher, and you've not seen a move below that in 2016, really. So it's interesting. If you see a move below that, that would be again another bearish signal. So you're sort of starting to get these corrective signals coming through. Not confirmed yet, I would say. You're not confirmed as a breakdown of this downtrend, this uptrend yet. But you're not too far off it, and I think the ECB meeting today could be a driver of this one. So that could again be an interesting bit of volatility for gold today. But I wish you good luck in your trading generally through the ECB meeting, whatever you're trading. And I'll speak to you again tomorrow. Thank you.